fuel pump was stuck and probably would be considered no good. And what I did is I put WD-40 inside and connected this tube through a loop and filled one side with WD-40. And then I took the plunger off the bottom and moved it just 3 or 4 times. And I put little wires in there with Roach clips. The idea is to lubricate the pump. So I'm going to put that on there. And it'll circulate. Better. And it lubricates the pump. Gets it faster and faster so it can start to do its job again. There it is. Do that for about 2 minutes and you're good to go.